Hi everyone, this is Sean from the Bid4Assets Client Services team. In this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare for a county tax sale prior to bidding. For the purposes of this video, we'll assume that you've already sent in your deposit and been cleared to bid on the tax sale of your choice. If you need some guidance on how to send in a bid deposit, I've included a link to our bid deposit video in the description below. So the first thing that you'll want to do to prepare for a tax sale is add all of the properties that you want to bid on to your watch list. If you don't yet know which properties you'd like to bid on, you can begin your search on the storefront page for the county of your choice by going and selecting the General Tax Sale Documents folder. Doing that will open up a property list available both in Excel and PDF format. If you look at the PDF property list, you see that it provides you with all of the properties that are available in the sale, and it displays their APN numbers, legal descriptions, minimum bids, closing times, and their auction ID numbers. Actually, Imperial County even provides the property address when they're able to. Now, I can use one of the two search tools available back in the storefront page to go directly to the individual auction page for any item in this sale. Let's say, for the purposes of this guide, I'm interested in auction ID number 839984. So what I can do back at the storefront page is search the property by its APN number or its auction ID number. So I'm going to copy and paste the auction ID number from this list into the search tool, and it'll take me right to the auction's main page. So I go and I search the auction by auction ID number, and takes me directly to the page where the actual bidding will take place during the sale. So once you're here, one of the first things that you'll want to do is add the item to your watch list. Adding an item to your watch list allows you to access that property directly from your account's main page. This will save you time and allow you to get back to the auction page more quickly. You'll especially want to do this if you plan to bid on multiple properties during one sale. The other big thing that you'll want to do prior to auction's opening is research the properties you want to bid on as thoroughly as you can. This includes going to visit the property if you're able to, and learning as much as you can about the property's title status. You see in this auction that some information has already been provided by Imperial County. I've got access to a parcel map and access to GIS. For some counties, you'll need to get in contact with the assessor's office directly to obtain this information and to learn more about the status of a property's title. You can and also should review a county's terms of sale prior to bidding. And the county terms of sale will always be available again directly from the storefront page underneath of General Tax Sale Documents. You can find them right here. Now, Bid4Assets has provided a free hour-long guide hosted by our CEO on some of the best practices that you can employ for researching tax sale properties. And we've included a link to that video in the description, once again, down below. Making sure that you have easy access to the auctions that you want to bid on, and ensuring that you've performed thorough due diligence on those properties are the most important things that you can do prior to auctions opening in a tax sale. We hope this video was helpful for you, and we wish you the best of luck with your next tax sale on Bid4Assets. Take care.